So if you're curious what this obnoxiously yellow wood is, it's called osage or bodark or sedge or horse apple even. Um, but it's very pretty for what it is. It is extraordinarily hardwood, but it doesn't have much of a commercial use just because the trees don't really grow straight at all. But it's rot resistant, so people in the past would have used this for fence posts. Um, right now, like I said, there's no commercial use for it. What I'm cutting this into boards for is for people who make like cutting boards, stuff like that. It can work as an accident wood, I guess. So this will dry for a while until it gets down to a moisture content that it's usable, and we'll sell it off.